to think I was lazy.
I'd look at the dishes in the sink and feel paralyzed. The laundry would taunt me from the basket like, try again, soul seeker, we still here. But now I know the truth. I wasn't lazy, I was healing. Healing looks like nothing getting done while your brain is trying to rewire 30 years of programming in the middle of Paw Patrol reruns. I didn't need a productivity hack. I needed a minute to breathe and to eat something besides a half-warm peanut butter sandwich with 3 bites missing, because apparently that's your lunch now. Side note, when did eating cold crusts off your kid's plate become a lifestyle? You ever try to have a spiritual awakening while helping someone tie their cleats for soccer? While yelling, please don't skate in the kitchen? This is just not a good time for this. And then the universe is like, perfect, let's go deeper. What? I'm out here trying to keep fruit snacks off the ceiling, and the divine is dropping downloads like, your identity is a construct. I'm like, okay, cool, but also, the baby just ate a crayon. You want me to raise the vibration while also raising a human who thinks boogers are a food group? And let's be honest, this whole spiritual awakening thing, it's ghetto. 10 and 10 would not recommend unless you're ready to question everything, including why you agreed to be a soul in a human body at this point in history. And yet, I wouldn't trade it. Because even on the days when I feel like Kendrick said it best, they not like us. Even when I feel completely outside of who I used to be. Even when I swear I'm gonna lose it if one more person asks what's for dinner while I'm in mid-existential crisis. There's peace somewhere in the quiet. Somewhere in that one deep breath I get between the chaos. I feel it, that I'm healing, that I'm shedding, that I'm becoming, and yeah, it's messy, but it's mine. So if you feel like you're falling behind because your to-do list looks like it's auditioning for a horror film, or if all you did today was survive and cry in the car for a minute before going back inside, you're not lazy, you're healing, and that counts.